Hello, this short video is just going to show you how to use the bulk assign function in RadExam to schedule a whole bunch of different exams at the same time. So to get at this template, you need to go first of all to your RadExam dashboard, then go under the library and then click bulk assign, which is a new button in the top right hand corner. This is going to bring up this page here. The first thing you need to do, and the instructions are all here, is to click and download the template. That's going to download an Excel file that is specific for your institution. What you're going to have here are a series of fields. The ones that I've highlighted in yellow, they're not yellow on the actual Excel file, are those that you must put in. The other fields are ones that I recommend you put at least some of them in, and that's really for your tracking purposes. So you have to fill in the customer ID, their email, the exam ID, the start date, end date, and your institution ID. And I'm going to show you where you get all those in a moment. I would suggest you also include the first name and last name and the exam name, because it's going to make it much easier for you to track these things. So where do you find these numbers? So if you go to the ACR PPM, which is ppm.acr.org, click on Manage Individuals. It will show you the site ID and it will show you the resident IDs. Now, obviously, once you've copied and pasted these across once, they're going to be there and you can use them time and time again. And also copy and paste those rows on the Excel spreadsheet, which I think is going to make assigning multiple exams much faster. So it's going to enable you to assign multiple exams to the same individual, or multiple individuals to the same exam, or the same exam with different dates that you just change the date field easily on that Excel spreadsheet. Now, what about the exam ID? Two places to get it. If you click on the library, the exam ID is in the column over on the left where it says ID, so just copy and paste that. The name is here, and I say that is voluntary whether you want to put that in or not, but it's certainly going to make it easier for you copying and pasting if you have it in. The other place that you can get the exam IDs is on the separate Excel spreadsheet, which I will have sent out with this video, which I hope to have incorporated into the downloaded template on a second tab soon. And this will give you a list of all the exams and their details, which are currently available on the RadExam website. This will allow you to copy the exam numbers and the exam names very easily off this template and put them into your bulk assignment template. Now, once they're on the bulk assignment template, you can copy and paste individual rows. You can assign the same exam to multiple residents, or different residents to the same exam, or different exams to different residents, I think fairly easily by just copy and pasting these through. So you can get a whole load assigned at any one time. Now go back to that bulk assignment page and click Upload File. Once the file's uploaded, click Verify, and it will go in and it will look at each individual row that you've put in and see whether they correlate with any errors at all. So it's going to check against your individual institution and your registered and paid for residents. It may come up with some errors, such as the user is already assigned to the exam. And if you want to go back and change any of your original data, then just cancel out of this, go back, change your spreadsheet, and re-upload it. At any point after you've uploaded a template, you can click the log report and it will come up with a list of any errors. Now, there are a couple of different errors that will come up. If there is a duplicate exam assignment, so you've tried to put the same exam more than once to the same resident, or they've already taken it, it will assign it if you continue straight through the process, but it's giving you an opportunity to change your spreadsheet first. The same as if you've assigned an exam to the wrong R level. So you've assigned an R2 exam to an R4 resident, for example. It will assign it, but it's going to give you an error message first. However, if you have no Dixit subscription for that particular resident, or that resident is not in the system at all, it will not assign it, but it will assign the remainder of your exam requests. If you have any issues at all, please contact RadExam support directly rather than me, because I can't really troubleshoot an individual exam assignment issue. I hope this is helpful. Thank you very much.